A surprise impeachment notice against a judge sparks constitutional chaos. India's Supreme Court is now scrutinizing a historic impeachment notice against a judge without a single allegation of misconduct or corruption. The impeachment notice does not allege any misconduct, corruption, or incapacity on the part of the judge. The notice seeks to remove the judge for disagreeing with his judgment. The Supreme Court must now scrutinize the notice and determine whether it meets the constitutional standard for impeachment. Parliamentary privilege exists to enable legislators to discharge their constitutional functions without fear or favor. Articles 105 and 194 protect free speech in Parliament precisely so that representatives can legislate, debate, and hold the executive accountable. The power to move an impeachment motion against a judge is among the most serious constitutional privileges entrusted to members of Parliament. However, the recent impeachment notice moved against Justice G.R. Swaminathan raises critical questions about the limits of parliamentary privilege. The notice does not allege any misconduct, corruption, or incapacity on the part of the judge, but rather seeks to remove him for disagreeing with his judgment. This raises concerns about the separation of powers and the potential for constitutional abuse. The Supreme Court must now scrutinize the notice and determine whether it meets the constitutional standard for impeachment. Was this impeachment notice a constitutional overreach or a necessary check on judicial power? Tell us in the comments yes or no.
Here's what this means for you. If you disagree with a judicial decision and feel it has led to an unjust outcome, you can file a review petition with the Supreme Court within 30 days. Make sure to consult with a qualified legal expert to ensure your petition is filed correctly. Save this video for future reference.
Follow Legal Output on Instagram and Legal Output Official on YouTube for daily legal updates.